Well, we end our conversation on infant mortality today on how people on the local level are working with state officials to address the ongoing issue. WKBN Community Affairs Director Dee Crawford goes in depth.
As we end our conversation, in-depth conversation, I must say, regarding infant mortality, we're rejoining with Aaron and Cora. Ladies, challenges which you're facing. What's going on with the state?
So I think, I always think about, we have wonderful programs here, and I'll never doubt the programs that we've had. And we're so blessed to have a really, great organizations that work together. But one thing that our biggest challenge is the social determinants of health. When we think about the women that we work with and they have issues with housing and they have issues with transportation and access to care. And so when you're thinking about those things and that those are the issues that they work with, it's hard for them sometimes to get to their appointments, to get to the right doctors, or it's hard for them, they're worrying about their housing situation. So it's almost like we need to focus on those social determinants of health sometimes before we can even get to the facts, you know what I mean? So those are the issues that we need to focus on, and that's what we're working on now, are those social determinants of health, because we feel that, if we can tackle those issues along with our pregnant moms, that we can, in fact, make a difference.
That increases the value of your partnerships.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Yes.
As you're looking forward with My Baby First, you're seeing some of the things that Aaron is talking about. How are you approaching that?
So as we are working out in the community, doing outreach and talking to the people at different organizations, at health fairs, we're finding out what their needs are. And then we're developing those programs, and we're doing strategic plans to be able to reach that at-risk population and those organizations that can provide them with the resources that they need.
What's a number to call to reach out for someone who definitely has seen this show, wants to know how to get involved?
So they can call me, the My Baby's First coordinator, at 330-270-2855, extension 142, and I can get them to the program that they need.
That's a great resource to have. And for you, Aaron, as a commissioner.
Yes.
Your challenges before you, but you've got a team now, and I am very proud to see that the team you're putting together, one male and is represented for the African American community to address this issue of infant mortality, because our numbers are not great. I believe we were like 51% of the total at the last 2021 census. We have a problem in this community that has to be addressed by the community, but you have heard from several programs now that's reaching out to do just that. I'm Dee Crawford, Community Affairs Director, WKBN.
Hi everyone, I'm Lindsay Watson. Thanks for watching the WKBN 27 First News YouTube channel. If you want more video news, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to download the WKBN 27 First News app for breaking news alerts.